Hey, Brian from Garage Mahal. This is my FirstInfo 3/8 adjustable ratchet, and I mean, I love this thing mainly because the lever is kind of flush, so it's not going to get in your way. So when you're working on something, it's not going to like sit there, and it telescopes, which is great. So if you need to, you got that one bolt that is just like super tight. It gives you that little last minute bit of extra torque that you need to get it loose. And the action is nice and smooth on it. And what I like is that you can adjust the angle. So if you have a tough area to get into, it's fully adjustable. And unlike some of these other ones, it locks in there good. So it's not like flimsy. It's not going to move around. It like locks in really good on you. And it's just it's my new go-to ratchet. But anyway, FirstInfo 3/8 adjustable ratchet. Thanks for making this thing. This thing's awesome. All right, Brian from Ratchet. Thanks for watching. Be safe out there.